Welcome people, you don't know your boy RJ back again with another vlog, you see me? Yeah, so you don't know, so this is a part 2. Yeah, you see me? So just remember to like, share, subscribe and comment, you see me? And look out for part 3 coming up shortly. You see me? Because right now things are evolve. You see me? Yeah, it'll come up fast. Because right now a machine for come a road and a bad of a place and type of way, you get me? Yeah man, so right now just pre the video, share it up, and a bag of things, you see me? Don't know your CUSTOMZ family, one family, you see me? Out. Yeah, so right now, I'm going on my bridging and now go look the valve them, because I just make 2 links and him say, boy, I have all of the valve them what I need, so I go give him a link, you see me? I roll out the axe here, you know? Yeah, people right now, I just pull up, you see me? Just reach. See bad shape there? Yes, man. Don't know if I go check it Toyota boss, see Toyota parts, them, you know? See boss, can figure something for the police shape, but not too good, not too much view off fight, you know?
2 sides.
Big up your vlog now, bro, God.
Don't know.
Police shape boss. See next bad mechanic at the
Yeah, so? Yeah. 2 sides and that.
That intel me say 2 side tape.
So that nothing can go underneath.
That intel.
Boss, I say I go side skirts, you know? I don't know, not too good, not too much look out tight, you know?
But this is what if you live in.
See next bad mechanic, big up yourself, you know, me general. Alright, just get the valve them. Have the grinding compound. You see me? This are the fine end. This are the coarse end, you see me? So I'm gonna start with number 1. So what I did a while ago, the stem of the valve, not the head, you see me, just the stem. So now I'm gonna put it into the I'm gonna insert it. You know, the valve guide.
Number 1.
You see me? Yeah, I'm gonna insert it, huh? Just take your time. You see me? Now I'm gonna have a vacuum hose with a drill bit. You see me? I've used a firm hose. Yeah, so now I'm gonna insert this into the drill and put it back on the head of the valve. You see me? So you can turn it. Yeah, so you're going to use a coarse pit, the coarse compound first, then you're going to use a fine compound after. You see me? So if you use a coarse one to start the process, then you use a fine one to finish it. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, so right now, I don't know if it's a focus right, but yeah, got 1 valve so far. You see me, I have like 15 more to go. So when we finish, okay, you know, you have it throw gas into this port right here and watch it and see if it sweat or leak. You know, you want it as tight as possible. You see me? So yeah, I got 1 valve so far, so you know this is A. So let's put it right here. You see me? Yes, so now 15 more to go now. So when we finish that, sure finishing, and when I put on the valve seals, you see me? Yeah, man. So when you do it, go into a forward motion on the drill, and after put the drill in reverse, and you go into the reverse motion. You see me, you want to always keep a in and out motion while grinding the valve for it to get a smooth seating. You know. So right now, they are one out each cylinder in the block. I do one already, 2, 3. I know this is the 4th one man now, you see me? So I have a master grip drill. Can use any drill of your choice, you see me, and a owning tool, you see me? I set the owning tool inside of the cylinder and show you how it look, you see me? So this is how it look inside of the block, you see me? Have to be careful because you don't want it. You don't want it jump out and you have to take your time in an up and down motion. You see me? You stop it inside there. Take it out. Yeah man. So you see when you do it, if you can see we can turn up the light. This is how I set the crankshaft. You see me? So the owning tool won't be exposed to the journal. The journal won't be exposed to the owning tool, sorry. You see me? So right now I'm just going to get some gas and wash out the cylinder. You see me? And install the piston them. Yeah, man, install the piston them. Yes man, so and now I install them and show you how it look. And thing. So after you own out the block now, you see me, I will get some gas. I have an old purple blast buckle because you know the nozzle, the spray nozzle on it is very strong. So all of the hole that you own the cylinder, you don't want any of those shavings to get inside your work, you see me? So ring squeezer isn't so good, so I'm gonna show you a little hack how to get a piston in the block without using a ring squeezer or using a flathead screwdriver, because you have some person pick it in, but I don't like it, it's not safe. So I'm gonna show you another little easier way close to using a ring squeezer. So when you see that shortly, you see me? So I spin over the block, you know, me alone there. I spin over the block, ensure that my rings out into the crankshaft area properly, you see me? Yeah man. So right now, I just use a cleaner and just clean out inside of the cylinders, you see me? So now I'm gonna use auto transmission fluid. You can use oil, regular oil, engine oil of course. You see me, you have special lubricants that are for pistons, but we don't have that. So me always love to use auto transmission fluid. You see me, I just want a little lubricant, so before me install, I have to lubricate these. Same part in the piston first. You see me, but most important, have to lube the cylinder wall before inserting, you see me? You want to see that? Clean! Yeah, so put on the camera, get this done. I'll show you the life hack of getting the piston into the block without using a ring squeezer. Hey man, so all 4 of them oiled up now, so you do the oiling slightly not plenty, just quite enough to get the piston lubricated and for it to move freely into the cylinder. You see me? See my hand oil up? Yeah. So I have to put in the piston now. But first I have to check back the gapings, because you don't know put on the piston and stuff. So right now, just I go tighten the clamp. You see me? As tight as possible. The whole idea is to get the rings fully squeezed in and boom. You see me? Yeah man, so like that. So I'm gonna do the rest of them now and then show the after. When I install the piston, comes with a little indication that this point or this part should be always turned to the timing side. You see me? Which is where the oil pump, the timing gear, everybody up on the side. You see me? If you do timing and stuff, and the water pump and the whole necessaries. You see me? So get that in already now. So I'm gonna do the other 3 then get back to it. Always remember, make sure it always come with a little pinhole, which is this or an arrow. You see me? So if it not have a pinhole, it have an arrow. If it not have an arrow, it have a pinhole. Yeah, I have the rings position. You're not gonna always get it perfect, but at least if it's like a 1 or 2 millimeter off, it's not that big of a deal. They just want to know say you don't have no blow by. You see me? That's how we are trying to avoid blow by. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish them up now and get it started with. So when I install the piston, I don't forget to tell you this from before. I get the crankshaft journals, them, what do I call it now? Basically to be in a half position. You see me? Yeah, so it would have the 2, this is 2 and 3. You see me? I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, see me, the journal is slant. Yeah, it's not 180 degrees straight up in the air. It's slant. Basically, I can say a 90 degree that. Yeah. You see me? So I do the same thing for 4 and I've did the same thing for number 1. You see me? So I'm finished now. I'm gonna flip the engine on the side, carry down the piston and the journals, oil it up, get it over with. You see me? Yeah. So a while ago, because never really have any help, but just come for all the camera. But the manufacturer spec for the engine for the connecting rod is 22 pound-foot of torque and a 90 degree, meaning after you clock the torque wrench at 22, you hear that sound, a little click sound, that tells you that it's torqued. You see me? It reaches 22 pound-foot of torque. So what you're gonna do to get the 90 degree, you will have to, just to give an example, you see me? You'll have to bring the torque wrench from right here to a 90 degree angle. It would be right there. You see me? So you do that for all 4 of them. So after my start the engine, I have to rotate it, but what I did was to, each time I torqued one conrod, I rotated the engine, you see me? So this is the result. Easy, nice, smooth rotation, you see me? Man say, you know, say engine a rotate. Well, so now I go remove the oil pump. They pull it off already, clean up the surface. So I remove it now and silicone it, assemble it back together. You see me? And install the genuine front crankshaft seal. Yeah. Right now, you guys have come to the ending of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Love the support and the help. You see me? Just remember to share and subscribe. You see me? And leave a comment. Yeah, so just watch out for part 3. It'll come up shortly. You see me? About in a week or I'll try see if I can finish up before the week done. You see me? So just look out for part 3. That's gonna be another epic video again. You see me? Peace out.